Hi guys, welcome to the 10 push-ups in 10 weeks course. So this is a really deep course in doing proper push-ups. We're going to go through different variations, like what it means to have your hands wide or narrow, what constitutes cheating, what puts you at a chance of hurting yourself, and eventually progressing yourself through so that you can do 10 push-ups in a row, which is the ultimate goal. So why would you want to do a push-up? Push-ups are very good for your upper body strength. They can tone your chest and your triceps, which I know can be really important for a lot of people. But I think most importantly is that it makes everyday activities a lot easier, like gardening or cleaning or things like that. And on top of that, such a common movement. It's a great precursor exercise to get into a lot more challenging types of exercises. So that's why the push-up is really important. So welcome to the 10 push-ups in 10 weeks course, and I hope you enjoy it. So one more thing I wanted to add in that I just forgot to mention was that anytime you have a question or feedback, please give it to me. Send it our way so I can take it into consideration and give you your feedback there to answer your questions that you're looking for. Because I want you to take this course and I want you to get the most out of it. And if you have questions or you don't understand how to do something, just ask and I'll answer it for sure. So because I want you to be successful as much as you want yourself to be successful. So take care, and I'll talk to you throughout the course.